Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please welcome. So today I'm here with a very sad and touching story of CHILLMASTER. If you don't know CHILLMASTer, muimbi aita mukurumbira nekuimba mimhanzi yerudo. So he was involved in a very tragic accident yatora upenyu hwemunhu, not himself being achitsikwa iye, but ndiye atsika munhu, and munhu wacho abva afira ipapo. So this is very sad. This is a very sad story guys, and I just hope and pray kuti he had zvikwanisiro zvakakwana, because an accident yekuti unotsika munhu obva achishayikirwa neupenyu ipapo usina zvikwanisiro zvakakwana, it can take your whole life away. So you guys, we're just praying for him kuti iye pachezvake ave ari pari right, the family of the loved one, the lost life, vave pari right, because this is a very very tragic story. So you guys, if you are kwauri koko, you know CHILLMASTer, so you can just put prayers for him so that he'll be okay mentally, physically, zvese kungoti ave right, because this is a very very hard time for him. He's been posting saying that he needs privacy for now. Vanokwanisa kungomitra maprayers munomitra, but he needs privacy for the sake of the family yaluza munhu, and also for the sake of his serenity. So you guys, CHILLMASTer was involved in this very tragic accident, and I remember yesterday he was involved in a story na Blood wrote down a message achiti ane song yakaita na CHILLMASTer, but then CHILLMASTer didn't release the song, yakazongolika. So Blood was like unogona kupisa wozopera chichichi, like you were saying my words are very strong, and I don't know if he meant it deeply or aingotauro, but when you say things and then things like this happen, unoita unge washuridzira. You see, nosajinzi mashoko ane simba sometimes, kutaura mamwe mazwi ane simba. I'm not saying that zvakataura Blood ndo zvakuitika, but then when you say words, sometimes just be careful with words that you say. So yeah, we're just praying and hoping that CHILLMASTer will be okay, adzoke pachinzvimbo. Hora yaakaimba iyi, I think hora dzacho dzatotanga guys, and it's so sad seeing CHILLMASTer being involved in such a tragic accident. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.